This is your 1-Minute Coder News from the Voice of Custom Coding. Many coders woke up to another price increase email notification from AkzoNobel in their inbox on Monday morning, June 21st. The post was sent out late Friday afternoon, June 18th. The letter stated AkzoNobel has taken exhaustive measures to mitigate yet another price increase to ensure supply, but due to the rapid cost escalation, quote, we must increase our quoted prices to you by 30% effective immediately. This marks the third price increase on products since December 2020. Total price increases on all products have totaled 38 to 43% in the last 6 months. Any purchase orders placed before July 1st will need price updating in order to be shipped on time. There was one olive branch extended by the company for volume purchasing by offering a 3% combined with free shipping by placing an order at their e-commerce website at shop.interpon.com. And that's been your 1-Minute Coder News. See you next time.